Hello students, welcome for today's session. In today's session, we are going to study the term work 13 for your lab. The problem definition states that we need to design an XML document to display the computer parts. Computer parts in the sense, in this program, we are trying to display the input and output devices. As you all know, XML does not have any predefined tags. All are going to be user defined tags. So this is the output expected. Okay, so this is the output which is expected. So you can, when you look at the output, you find that the different input and output devices are listed with the respective tags. I will just see the program. Okay, we are going to start with the XML version declaration. So the first line is written as XML version is equal to 1.0. I'm sorry, 1.0. Then we have created the user defined tag as computer, and after computer we have created a tag which says parts and which displays computer input output devices. Under input devices we have listed several input devices. We have given the tag as device and we have listed the names. Like the first device over here is given as keyboard, the second one is the mouse, third joystick, fourth device light pen, fifth scanner, sixth touch screen, seventh microphone, and the last one is the trackball. So all these devices are included within the tag input. You can observe here this tag. So within this tag all these devices are included. After that we have closed the input tag. Coming to the output devices. Okay, so under the output devices again we have used the device tag and then specified the first output device as monitor, the next one as printer, third one as speaker, fourth one as plotter, fifth one as projector, and sixth one as headphone. So all these are user defined tags. There are no predefined tags in case of XML. And then we have closed the output tag, that is for the output devices, and followed by the main tag, that is our computer. So in this way we have created an XML document that is going to display computer parts. Now the most important thing to remember over here is that we have not used any style sheet. We have not used any SLT style sheet so that the display comes in a proper manner. It is just a raw XML document. So we will just go and execute this program so that we'll understand how the output looks like. Right. So the first thing I go is go to Notepad. Now we have to remember here we need not use the HTML because we are writing the program for XML. So first we are going to start with the XML version 1.0. Right. Then as we are displaying computer parts, we need to create a tag which says computer, then a tag parts which says computer input or output devices. Right. Then we are going to start with the input devices. So we are going to create a user defined tag called as input, followed by the device, which is going to specify the device name. So the first device we are going to include is keyboard. Next device we are going to include is mouse. Third input device we are going to include is joystick, the third device. In this manner we can create multiple devices. That is going to be scanner. Next one, touch screen. The next device we are going to include is microphone. This program looks lengthy, but it is not lengthy. You need to just understand and then write to include one more device, that is a trackball. And then we have finished with all the input devices, so I'm going to close the input tag. Similarly, now I'm going to create output devices. So I'm going to use the tag as output, let's say device. So the first device I have here is the monitor, right? Then second output device, printer. Next output device, speaker. You must have also heard about plotter. This is another output device. The one which you are most familiar with, projector. So that is also an output device. Last output device. Then I am going to close the output tag. Also I need to close the computer. So in this manner I have created the program for displaying the parts of a computer. I'm going to save it my desktop as computer parts.xml. Alright, and I click on here is my program for computer parts.xml. Okay, open with Internet Explorer. Did you observe? This is going to be a raw XML document. We have not used any style sheet, so that we will get the output in terms of some of the styles specified. Okay. So we have listed the output devices as well as the input devices. Our output over here is also similar. So let me zoom it. You can see similar, right? Okay. So this is just a raw XML document. We have specified the tag for input device and output device. All these are user defined tags, they are not predefined tags. So what happens when we are going to use user defined tags? It becomes very easy for the user to remember and also to understand with respect to the data which is going to be enclosed within the tags. Right. So this is your 13th term work. In the next session, we will study about how we are going to display a food menu with the help of XML. The similar way we need to display the food menu. See you in the next session. Thank you, students.